Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to make Sceptre Monitor vertical, screen, rotation, pivot and stand adjustment guide. How to make your Sceptre Monitor vertical. First, physical adjustment. Rotate the monitor 90 degrees clockwise using a pivot compatible VESA mount or stand. Next, system settings. Open your computer's display settings and change the orientation to portrait mode. First is the physical stand adjustment. First, verify if your current monitor stand supports rotation. Many stock Scepter stands only support tilting, meaning you may need an aftermarket VESA mount or an adjustable stand. Check stand compatibility. Look for a pivot joint behind the screen. Rotate the screen. Firmly grip the edge or rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. Mount alternatively. If using a VESA arm, loosen the bracket, rotate and retighten. Second, operating system configuration, Windows settings. Right-click the desktop and select Display settings. Then click on the rectangle representing your Sceptre monitor. From there, locate the Display Orientation drop-down menu and select Portrait or Portrait flipped if upside down and click Keep Changes. Mac OS settings. Click the Apple menu and select System settings. Now click on Display in the sidebar. From there, select a Sceptre monitor, then choose 90 degrees from the rotation drop-down menu and click Accept to save the changes. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.